Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to Google Pixel 9. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices. Following that, you need to download free app called Send Anywhere, and when it's ready, launch it. Now it's time to set it up. In order to do that, tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by clicking OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel device. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Pixel 9. Also on Google Pixel smartphone, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by scanning the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and simply point it at the code. To input this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive. Wherever you decided, when you finished, wait and close and add. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!